10 days ago, maybe you couldn't do this. Today, you will have 5 real conversations in English. A greeting, a cafe, a plan, a lost tourist, and 1 full day. This is your day 10 test. Don't worry, you already know everything you need. You learned it, day by day, right here. Hello, and welcome back to Lessons. This is day 10 of our 30-day English practice challenge, 1/3 of the way. And today is different. Today, I don't teach. Today, you talk. Here's how it works. I speak to you, like a real person in a real situation. Then there is a pause. In that pause, you answer. Out loud. Any correct answer is a good answer. After the pause, I'll tell you what most people would say. Ready? Conversation 1. Test 1. The greeting. Days 3 and 4. I'm your colleague, walking in on Monday morning. Here I come. Good morning. How's it going? Did you answer? And did you ask back? Something like, pretty good. Thanks. How about you? That's the full circle. Answer, then ask back. Let's continue the conversation. Not bad, thanks. Hey, how was your weekend? Maybe you said, it was great, I slept in. Or, it was quiet, I stayed in. Both perfect. One more. Oh no, I have a meeting. See you at lunch? The answer is easy and friendly. Sounds good. Test 1. Past. Conversation 2. Test 2. The cafe. Day 5. I'm the barista, and you want a coffee and a sandwich. You start. Order something. Now. Great choice. For here or to go. 2 words are enough. To go, please. Or, for here, please. Next question. That's $7.50. Card or cash? Did you say card, please, or cash? Either way, you just paid in English. And one more. Do you want the little paper? Here's your order. Anything else? No, thank you. Can I get a receipt, please? Beautiful. Test 2. Past. Conversation 3. Test 3. Making plans. Day 6. I'm your friend, and I'm calling you. Ring, ring. Hey, are you free tomorrow? Say yes. Something like, yes, I'm free after work. Now I suggest a time. Great. Does 5:30 work for you? If it works, 5:30 works for me. If not, be honest, 5:30 is difficult. Does 6 work? Negotiating time, that's advanced small talk, and you just did it. Let's close the plan. Perfect. Coffee at 6. 2 little words finish every plan. See you then. Test 3. Past. Conversation 4. Test 4. Directions. Day 9, but reversed. Yesterday you were lost. Today, you are the local. A tourist stops you on your street. Help them. Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the train station. Say yes, and start with the direction. Go straight, turn left, turn right, any honest answer works. Now they ask more. Is it far from here? Tell them, no, it's about 5 minutes away. Or, yes, it's far, you should take the bus. And here comes the best part, they didn't understand you. Sorry, could you repeat that, please? Don't panic, just say your directions again, slower. That's exactly what a kind local does. And now you know both sides of that conversation. Test 4. Past. Last one. Test 5. The speed round. Day 8. 1 full day, 5 fast moments. Short answers, quick thinking. Here we go. The alarm rings. It's 7 in the morning. What do you say? 5 more minutes. The most honest sentence in English. Next. You open the fridge. No milk. What do you say? We're out of milk. Next. You look at the clock. You're late. What do you shout? I'm running late. Next. Your friend calls. Where are you? What do you say? I'm on my way. Even if you're still looking for your keys. Last one. It's midnight. The day is done. What do you say? Good night. Sweet dreams. And, test 5, past. Stop for a second. Look at what you just did. You greeted a colleague. You ordered and paid. You made a plan. You gave directions to a stranger. You lived a full day, all in English, all out loud. 10 days ago, these were just words. Today, they are answers. Your answers. That is what daily practice does. Not magic. Just practice. Here is your challenge for today. In the comments, tell me your score. 5 conversations. How many felt easy? 5 out of 5? 3 out of 5? Be honest. And tell me which one was the hardest. That's the one to practice again tomorrow. I read the comments, and I will reply to you. Day 10, complete. 1/3 of the challenge, done. I'm proud of you. Seriously. If this lesson helped you, press the like button and subscribe for day 11. We start the next third with something new. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.